dream house na para sa'yo. Near RFO, malapit sa Manila with low down payment, complete finish upon turnover, with overview of Mount Makiling. Tara na sa Hacienda del Sol. It is located at Barangay Pagaspas, Tanawan, Batangas. I will show you the turnover unit at Derena Mall na may lot area of 60 square meter at floor area na 51.25 square meter. Napaka-spacious ng party nito at may extra space for your garden and future home expansion. Grills ang sliding windows at siguradong secured ang bahay mo. Fully finished na ang loob. Gamit na lang ang kulang. Livable na siya. 9 minutes away to SM Santo Tomas and SNR. 8 minutes away from Tanawan X. We have included overhead aluminum cabinets. May Dali grocery store sa harap ng village at malapit sa private and public school. One ride away ito going to Tanawan Market. One ride away din ito sa National Highway to take a bus ride to Manila and other provinces. Meron din itong 2-bedroom partition sa taas with tiles, painted walls and ceiling. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na, samahan ko kayo to your dream home vibes!